Okay, so let's begin the class. Let's begin the class. Commencing in the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. The omnipotent, the omniscient, and the omnipresent who created me, you, and the Holy One. Before starting the class, I would like to read some of the kilohertz that would be perfect for our class. Someone hurry up. Extend your visit. Extend your visit. Okay, done?
Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
How are you all?
I am fine.
Feeling well?
Yes, sir.
Doing well?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely fine?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely fine?
Yes, sir.
Safe and sound?
Yes, sir.
There's amazing people fine. Tell me what the weather. How is the weather today?
Yes,
The weather is scorching. Do you like this weather? Why? Why you don't like this weather? Why you don't like this weather? What is the problem? It is too much hot. That is why I don't like this weather. Okay, which kind of season do you like the most? In which kind of season do you like the most? The season, okay. Winter. Okay, what do you want to do? A special thing when it is winter. ويغنيك السكر واحد بالذات يغنيك بيصل فيها What do you want to do a special thing with this winter? Okay, Safia, how are you? Your name is what, Safia? Your name is? Fatma. Safia, how are you? Okay, tell me how is the weather today? The weather is hot, the weather is scorching, the weather is boiling, the weather is roasting. Okay, if you are sweating a large color, that's a very shade. I am sweating buckets. Okay, tell me, do you like this weather? Why? Why? Yes, Karin? Usman, you have to sit next to, what's his name? Okay, sit over there. Mansoor, sit down. Okay, yes, I'll say tell me what the chat what is today.
Yes.
Today is September 24.
23, sir. 24.
What day is today? Wednesday. We are having 3 rules to write a text. Mums ir 3 styles ki unda regulation ka text. I'll teach you. Okay, students, do you have any kind of good news or bad news? Anyone? Fresh news? Oh, take a start. Pakistan won the match. Outstanding, super. Pakistan, yeah, wins the match. Pakistan wins the match. That was the headline boy. Inshallah. Thank you so much for watching us. Yes. Yesterday, Sri Lanka lost the match. Outstanding. Next, fresh news. Fresh news. Tell me what did you from what happened on Saturday? The possibility. Okay, I will do. Madrasa there. Okay. I ate lunch or maybe Thank you so much. It was very nice. Next up.
Today's India and Bangladesh match.
India is going to play against Bengal. What do you think? Who will win the match?
India, sir.
India, definitely. Next up.
Pakistan national KVF announced PIA.
Okay.
PIA directly visit travel to Pakistan directly traveled to England after a 5 years because before it, England gave it to CIA. And this is
It didn't bring any what stay in any country. It directly goes to London.
this is good news for passenger because before that they traveled to
They were
Dubai,
wasting a lot of time.
yes,
Indeed.
and rest a day of 6 hours after they traveled to England.
Definitely,
And after that, they directly traveled to England.
It was the
So,
first time.
yes, sir. After a 5
And
years.
it was a fresh news, outstanding, super. I really appreciate you. Next up.
No one say what the candidate
You have travel and sleep.
Okay, next up. Fresh news, mister. Not yours? Can you tea? Can you tea? No? Graduate? Qualified. Okay, open your notebook. Stop talking. Stop talking. Stop talking.
Normalmente servicio de que lo
Mr. Krishna? Anyone?
Everyone
Extra
has
pen. Pen star? Do you have an extra pen?
Ya pe, agarra original
It is a short title. That is given in a newspaper to give general idea. Huh? Why don't try it? Just go out. Just go bring a pen. I said go bring a pen, Shaba. Why don't try it? Huh? Go pen general Shaba. Hold on. Why don't try it? Did I get your Shaba? Wait a minute. Why do you come here? That's the class to do. It is a short title that is given in a newspaper to give general idea. to give general idea. Rules for headlines. If headline is in simple present tense, if headline is in simple present tense, in simple present tense, it gives simple, it gives past meaning. It gives past meaning. For example, if headline is in simple present tense, it gives a past meaning. Pakistan beats India. Pakistan beats India.
Syria, Qatar.
Yes, sir.
India
Sri Lanka. Doctor saves child.
For example,
If okay, next is if headline if headline is in present continuous, if headline is in simple present tense, it gives present meaning.
Pakistan beat
Present meaning. For example, Maria.
Pakistan beat
It's a very fascinating topic. Okay, this is the headline of the story is so देखिए ना तो तारा पर न्यूज़पेपर एक बार चुनाच के ना अब अगर लिखड़ी है पाकिस्तान beats Sri Lanka by 5 wickets by 6 wickets. I think you understand. For example,
Sri Lanka country. Are you country
not even talk about कोई flood occurring in Suwad. Flood occurring in Suwad. Occurring means what होना. Prime Minister
Narendra Modi.
visiting to flood area. Understand? Okay, next answer. The first one, the second one, the third one. If headlines, listen. If headlines consist, if headline consists of two plus verb, it gives future meaning. It gives future meaning. If headlines consist of two plus verb plus term, it is also called infinitive. It's a infinitive. Two plus verb plus term is called infinitive. If headlines consist of infinitive, it will give us meaning future. It will give future meaning. For example, Prime Minister
Now actually,
to
Donald
visit
Trump
Prime Minister
to visit America.
to visit America.
Now actually, Donald Trump
Prime Minister to visit America. Prime Minister visiting to flood area. Ali to meet Hamad. Ali to meet Hamad tomorrow. That's the first significance of
Lo que hacían topic grande.
How do you hold this? The की बात है क्या ना जहाँ से present continuous tense मिलता है ये दो नहीं है blood is occurring in swat but headlines के ऊपर to be और बड़े इस्तेमाल होते हैं जमा बड़े इस्तेमाल two plus verb is called infinitive. Stop writing. Stop writing. Headline. Headline. You might have seen. You might have a newspaper that in the starting there is given a short title. A newspaper की a short title होती है अगर तब तक वो यो यंगर सूची में निकली अगर तब तक वो यो headline so it is a short title it is a short title that is given in a newspaper the short के मतलब क्या होता है कि title भी title से तो एक अनुमान का होया that is given in a newspaper to give general idea. जब किस तरह की general आम idea आ गया, अब ये कि जरूर of all headlines. Headlines का तो सुन लिया हमारे जी if headline is in simple present tense it gives past meaning. For example, Pakistan beats Sri Lanka. Listen to yourself. By headlines, certificates consist in simple present tense. It gives a simple past meaning. तो हम पाकिस्तान कल Sri Lanka मैच कर लिया. देखिए तो निकल लिखना. तो पाकिस्तान beat मतलब वो beat पास अच्छी लिया. मतलब अपने की वो इतना पाकिस्तान beat Sri Lanka last night. देखिए लिखना. देखा पाकिस्तान मैच को चार को लियो Sri Lanka. और न्यूज़पेपर की अच्छी सी नोट करिए. पाकिस्तान beat Sri Lanka. पाकिस्तान Pakistan beats Sri Lanka. Pakistan beats Sri Lanka. Next exam, release the मतलब दे. Pakistan beats Sri Lanka.
पाकिस्तान का स्कोर पड़े
बेटा बेटा किसी पाकिस्तान का किसका कर लिया Sri Lanka का. Listen. मुझे जैसे कि सिंपल पास्ट टेंस लिखने वालों का हेडलाइंस किया. by headlines के सिंपल पास्ट टेंस लिखने वालों. पर अखबार की एक न्यूज़पेपर किसने वर्क किया? पाकिस्तान beats Sri Lanka. आज लास्ट नहीं वर्क किया. पाकिस्तान beat Sri Lanka last night. Next exam, doctor saves the child. Doctor से बोलो, मशीन भी बच लो. मुझे किसने वो doctor saved. by headlines के नंबर किसने बोलो? Doctor saved a child. मतलब आप चुम्मा जनरली a child. Listen to it. By headlines scheme, we do not use the, and along with SMR. We do not use article in headlines. Listen, we do not use article in headlines. By headlines scheme, अखबार के ऊपर article में इस्तेमाल हो और इस्तेमाल होते इस्तेमाल हो. Listen, sir, doctor says child. जैसे कि a child रजी करना. जैसे कि मुझे article में इस्तेमाल हो. Doctor saves the child. Doctor से कर दिया और भी बच करेगा. Doctor saves the child. Next example, listen. Next uses if headline is in simple present continuous tense, it gives a present meaning. The headlines consist to Pasamaria or present continuous tense मानिया. अगर वो मुझसे क्या the present meaning बना दिया. जो मौजूदा रखा उससे किया उस रवान दिया. Same meaning रखते हैं the present continuous tense की meaning रखते हैं. जैसे कि differentiation दिया flood occurring in Swat मतलब flood जैसे क्या रहा दिया Swat के रहा दिया. उस Swat किसके रहा दिया flood रहा दिया. We do not use SMR in headlines. By headlines के ऊपर SMR नहीं इस्तेमाल होगा. By headlines के ऊपर SMR नहीं इस्तेमाल होगा. Okay, Prime Minister visiting two flood area. Prime Minister उस दाग रवान दिशा से रवान दिया flood area रवान दिया. चलो अनकाल. Understand? Okay, next if headlines consist of 2 plus word plus one, it gives a future meaning. Listen. Correct headlines are मुश्तमिल मुस्तमानिया और 2 plus word plus comma. It is not imperative. The headlines पर imperative माने मुश्तमिल consist हुआ. अगर मुख्तसर आप यह future meaning रहा है. For example, Prime Minister to visit America. Prime Minister जब फैसला करे जब भी रशिया अमेरिका रशिया. ये सवाल रशिया, ये शिबिर रशिया. तब बिता में चलते हैं. Prime Minister to visit America after a week. Prime Minister बच्चे किसी अमेरिका तभी ये हफ्ता बाद. Understand, Prime Minister to visit, we do not say Prime Minister will visit to America after a week. आपको simple future tense लगाना. तो by headlines की तरह से 2 plus word plus from Russia, अगर वो किस तरह से future meaning बनाना. Next है दूसरा, Ali to meet Hamad tomorrow. Ali क्या समझ रही है हमारे साथ सवाल. Understand? Yes, sir. Any problem?
जी हाँ क्या नाम है अली अहमद
That's what I'm saying. Huh? Second one, sir. Listen. आसान है. Flood occurring in Swat. मतलब that's area. Flood was सैलाब के रहा है. सैलाब Listen. Okay, this one now. Let's go there. Our movement, sir. We do make mistakes. We do make a mistake. How we learn from mistakes. Okay, if a person is not making mistakes, it means that we cannot call our movement. We call it an angel. We call it an angel. Understand? This is what Chikala Mantra, if headline is in present continuous tense. The headline mantra present continuous tense किया, अगर उधर present meaning रखे, मौजूदा उस पर आवाज़ की डाका रवान दिया. For example, flood occurring in Swat. मतलब that is flood से क्या वाले उस बात के लगा लेते नेक्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर विजिटिंग टू फ्लड एरिया प्राइम मिनिस्टर को था के रवान दिया कैसे के रवान दिया फ्लड एरिया बदलने के होगा इस्तेमाल हुए इस्तेमाल का टू बी वर्ड में इस्तेमाल आर्टिकल की समझ इस्तेमाल अंडरस्टैंड Article we do not use article. Huh? Shut up.
Prime Minister visited America and
Prime Minister
Prime Minister to visit America tomorrow. सवाल अब प्राइम मिनिस्टर से कीजिए अमेरिका
Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
ना डबल सेंटेंस है जाइए वाला डबल होगा अली टू मीट हमार tomorrow अली बचा सकते अली क्या हमार तरफ any problem open your book open your Sister Sarah, we gonna keep this up for you. How about you, huh?
क्लास गड़बड़ मत
Last month start किया just ना कोई गया टॉपिक कौन सी थी मस्त चलता था फर्स्ट टाइम लेकर आता था फर्स्ट टाइम नहीं लिया हुआ 10 हमारे हेडलाइंस कल पे खुद ले लिया हेडलाइंस ना 10 हमारे हेडलाइंस खुद 10 तेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है तो फर्स्ट टाइम
अरे हेडलाइंस तो तुम आसान है
Hold your horses don't even talk open your books open your books I don't know stop it by explain Abdullah ना तो कोई नहीं मत हो जाए explain
Sergi, बोला ना
no Abdullah تبغى شيء ها تبغى شيء दोबारा क्यों अब्दुल्ला करना ओपन योर बुक्स लेसन आसान है चिकन अक्सर सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस की हेडलाइंस कंसिस्टेंट पर सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में हम दूसरा गया सिंपल पास्ट मीनिंग बना गया चिकन का प्रेजेंट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस की रागले में हेडलाइंस अब हम का प्रेजेंट मीनिंग लगा के मौजूदा मीनिंग बना गया चिकन हेडलाइंस पर टू प्लस वर्ब को हमारे मुश्तमिल हुई कंसिस्टेंट अब हम दूसरा गया
Matcha.
मॉस्किटो मतलब open your books page number listen students sir as I told you skill beginning number 14 it was your homework मालूम भाई homework शाबाश open your books page number 45 where is your book yes you have education okay yes did you take education open your books open your books Skill beginning number 14 skill beginning number 14 I gave this it was a homework homework
Yes, sir.
no tawali
Jidama kare, Sergi.
great story not
the baat is I gave this homework I told you कि हमने क्या कितने कुछ हुए जितना कराने वाले बोले जितना से start समझ लिया
मैं निकले
fifth number okay fifth number तलाशिया fifth number से चलिए okay Pete enjoys work in the yard
I played tennis and started to rain, so come here.
in our said dinner was ready so they went into the house went into the house while the eaters was traveling in Europe they visited many museums visit चक्कर मुलाकात visited presentation number 15 empathic glue okay yes sir what's your name obey you are the first person dilemma you are the second person Sydney understand Kadi yes sir Abdullah you are the last person understand take a start Walisha
Teacher slowly.
Well, we didn't have a very good time.
That's not travel.
that's not true
We did have a good time. Remember when we went to that
that wonderful
wonderful
museum
museum?
let's move on Makiza
It was nice.
okay
It was okay, but we did not eat any good
seafood
What
do you mean?
What do you mean? We did
eat
eat good
seafood
seafood. Eat juice.
at Joe's place
I did not think it was very good, and they don't have very nice weather and
in Florida
why?
They do
they do
too.
too
We had a beautiful weather. It was always warm and it was
usually
usually sunny.
listen to sir did you notice empathic glue here empathic glue notice पूरा खाली से first तलाशी पहला how was your vacation Sahil
Sir, he is sad. Because
Sir, I am going to drink water.
Abbas ne पढ़
Sir, I am going to drink water. Sir, I am going to drink water.
I want to go.
Sir, I want to go to drink.
Unnecessary.
Here was the topic empathic glue. Empathic glue. What is empathic glue? When we are disagree with the previous statement, so we use empathic glue. We use empathic glue does. We use empathic glue. We use empathic glue does when we are disagree with the previous statement. For example, we didn't go to Faisal Masjid yesterday. What are you saying? We did go to Faisal Masjid. So here, did it is called an emphatic do. Listen, students, as I said, we didn't go to Faisal Masjid yesterday. That's what are you saying? We did go. We did go to Faisal Masjid yesterday. Listen, students. So here you are disagree with this statement. तुम्हारा disagree with this statement. तुम्हारा नहीं है ना तुम्हारा agree नहीं है. क्यों? तुम्हारा क्या? We didn't go to Faisal Masjid yesterday. वो Faisal Masjid का और क्यों किया? तुम्हारा क्या? What are you saying? That's the way. We did go to Faisal Masjid. तुम्हारा Faisal Masjid का चली गया. Here, did it emphasize the go? This is that it's the emphasize the go. So this is मतलब this is what you are emphatic do. This is what you are emphatic do. The do part was here did. Okay, for example, you do not speak English inside the class. What are you saying, sir? I do speak inside the class. I do speak English inside the class. Next, sir. Why you do not eat a lot? What are you saying? I do eat a lot. I do eat a lot. We didn't go to. We didn't go to. Korba restaurant. What are you saying? We did go to Korba restaurant.
Sorry, you just not go to America.
You do not go to America. What are you saying? I do go to America. Next sentence. After 15 days. Outstanding. Listen. Yesterday, Pakistan didn't win the match. What are you saying? Pakistan did win the match. Pakistan did win the match. Next. In fact, if you want to push it out, push up on it. वो तलाश ये खड़े सेंटेंस में जोड़ दिया यहाँ पे ऐसे प्रॉब्लम भी मत हुआ है one thing more headlines दिया headlines it is not quite difficult तो मुश्किल नहीं है this actually is a piece of cake piece of cake समझ लो this understand go to home and study it again so what is that to Ravani want this not because of you that's the they did not understand my words so this is why I'm very slow this is they actually understand they were like if I did you want to give a headline ask question so listen to the असल में मैंने वो रियल लाइफ में प्रश्न चाहिए अब वो डबल लाइफ का शिकार बेस किया प्रश्न चाहिए the same like this the असल में तो मैंने तो करना अल्लाह से तो करना तो हम आपको मोहम्मद पे चर्चा करेंगे हम हम को ना लेकिन देखिए हम से जनवाद नहीं करना लेकिन स्टडी the कोई so I'm not it's not a fault understand this is yours if you are not studying at home तो that's what you study करें I cannot talk to your mom तो खुद ना शब्द ले जितना मैं बोल रहा हूँ I swear that the कसम को करना जो मत भी टीचर दूर है ना इधर ऐसा काम को करता करेगा करना अब just go ahead हम आप कीजिए ताकि तो हम मर्द को काइंडली डाल को दिखा डाउन कदाता तो हम करेंगे करना को दिया ताकि वो पास्ट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस माने को कोशिश है पास्ट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस माने को कोशिश है ताकि हम करेंगे नहीं को कोशिश है past continuous tense definition that says here this tense is used to show an action which is in the progress in the past but definition is not there but use is there this tense is used to show an action which is in the progress in the past but it was interrupted by happening in the direction any problem
I have seen something.
any problem yes
You do not go to Palestine.
what are you saying I do go to Palestine
So you have to use another sentence. Do anything? No. What do you say? I am a Muslim. I will go to.
I do
You are not
that's saying I do teach English you do not teach English what I say I do teach English
Sir, you will become a Madrid.